Also, I broke one. If you want half, it snapped. I was gonna bring it on the drive.
Either. I'm happy for whatever.
Feedback. Too soft, too hard? Is the fondant too sweet?
Well, the fondant's meant to be sweet.
Yeah. But some people ask, like, how sweet is the fondant? And I'm like, well, I have a sweet tooth, so I'm going to say it's like the perfect amount of sweet.
Load of sugar.
Yeah. Dropped mum off at the airport. She stayed with us for about a week, which was really nice. We got some baby stuff cleaned up and moved upstairs, and since I can't lift anything heavy, that was a massive help. Back to regular scheduling, I guess. I'm gonna just try and knock out everything today. All the cleaning I have to do, all the things that I sort of pushed to the back burner while mum was here. I'll get that all done today. I just did half of my cookie order this morning, and I'll do the other half when I get back home. Got a whole list of things. So essentially, let's just spend a day resetting. Oh my goodness, that guy. This car just took a turn so wide that I just saw 2 of his tires go off the road. That was insane. You know how it's so nice when you have someone visiting, but it's not really, I don't know how to explain it. It's not really the way that you normally live. Like, you're going out more, like you're obviously like spending time with them, like not doing the things like cleaning and whatever, and everything kind of just piles up at the end. That's the kind of feeling that I have today. Like, everything is just a little bit piled up, things need to get done so we can get back on track. So that's what today is going to be. This is actually perfect timing because the friend that we get our eggs from has just replied to me saying, like, I'm here now, come pick them up. So very convenient timing. Also, I cut my thumb this morning on my yogurt tub, which is such an inconvenient thing. Like, my whole thumb is just out of action, but that's okay. I'm also extremely sleep deprived. I have not gotten much sleep in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks even. So long since I've had a full uninterrupted 8 hours of sleep. But I think that's just preparing me for what's to come. So I'm trying to just push through it and not let it affect my day, because that's basically how I'm going to be feeling for the foreseeable future. Search the party of better bodies just to learn from sprinkler splashes to fireplace ashes. Make the friendship embrace. Let's take the moment and taste it. Secured the eggs. Oh, I shouldn't have filmed you. Oh no, that was a bad time to start. If you're watching this on the day it goes live, it is present me. Hello, it is Monday. I thought that this video, I'm just editing it now. I thought that this video was going to be such a productive one and I was going to do all the washing, all the vacuuming and get the house back to a spotless state because that's just my favorite feeling after visitors, and then I was going to have the most chill weekend. But I got a message on Friday for a large cookie order for delivery Monday morning, and so I kind of just pushed everything back on Friday to start prepping for this order. So I went shopping. I didn't film any of it because I don't know, I feel like shopping for cookie ingredients isn't very interesting. Hold for cars. But essentially I was determined to get this massive cookie order done. So instead of having the chill weekend that I'd planned, I spent Saturday baking and Sunday was going to be my full day of decorating, and I knew that it was pretty much in perfect conditions. This would have taken all day on Sunday, but Sunday was the most humid day I have ever experienced, and the fondant was not loving it. The fondant was literally turning to water. I'll put a photo here, and I just felt the most overwhelming feeling of, I don't know, the fact that I said yes to this order and then I had to go back 2 days later and say, sorry, I won't be able to deliver tomorrow, which is like today. That really just put me in a bit of a headspace. It was probably my biggest, I don't want to say failure, but I want to say mistake. Like my biggest business mistake that I've made, because I'd never seen fondant behave that way and there was no way I was going to be able to package it all. It was such a last minute thing. Like firstly, I probably shouldn't have said yes because it was over the weekend and I normally allow 4 business days, whereas she messaged on Friday and wanted it Monday morning. Anyway, it was just a whole thing. So I didn't end up doing the Friday that I wanted to do, which then would have led me into a really cozy, relaxing weekend. And now it's Monday. These last 3 days have just been so out of the ordinary. But anyway, we can get back on track now. It is currently 12:47 p.m. So this will go live at 4 p.m. today. Friday was kind of productive. Like I cleaned some of the baby stuff because we got gifted a whole bunch of baby things from our friends, which we are just so grateful for. But yeah, it was not the video I was planning to film. If you made it this far, I am so grateful as always. And I am planning to do a weekly vlog this week, but we'll see how we go because I am exhausted and it's Monday. So I have a feeling it's just going to be one of those weeks, but it's only early days. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week. Bye.